Yo, what is up, everybody? It's Musa, and we are live in Dubai. This place is insane. More skyscrapers than you can count. We're about to hit up the 15 spots you absolutely cannot miss in this concrete jungle. So buckle up, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's do this. First up, the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building on the planet. We're going all the way to the observation deck. The view is like looking out the window of a spaceship. You can see everything, the Palm Jumeirah, the Burj Al Arab, the whole city sprawling beneath you. Maybe you're not into heights, but everyone loves shopping. The Dubai Mall is shopping on steroids, over 1,200 stores, plus an aquarium, an ice rink, and even a dinosaur skeleton. And don't miss the Dubai Fountain Show outside. It's like a synchronized swimming routine for water jets, set to music and lights. Seriously impressive stuff. Next up, Palm Jumeirah, an island shaped like a palm tree. Luxury hotels, private beaches, and the iconic Atlantis, the Palm. We're hitting up the Aquaventure Water Park and the Lost Chambers Aquarium. Maybe even treat ourselves to some fine dining, because why not? Dubai Marina, where the city meets the sea. Sleek skyscrapers, waterfront promenades, and a buzzing nightlife scene. We'll stroll along the Marina Walk and maybe even rent a yacht. And for the adrenaline junkies, Skydive Dubai offers a view like no other. Burj Al Arab, the 7-star experience. The most luxurious hotel in the world, dripping in gold. We might not afford a night here, but afternoon tea at the Skyview Bar is a must. The Dubai Fountain, a symphony of water and light. Water jets shooting up to 500 feet, choreographed to music and lights. With the Burj Khalifa as a backdrop, it's like something out of a Disney movie. Let's explore the historical heart of Dubai, Dubai Creek. We'll hop on an Abra, cruise down the creek, and check out the Gold Souk and Spice Souk. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way. Jumeirah Beach, white sand, turquoise water, and the Burj Al Arab in the background. We'll soak up some sun, try some water sports, and enjoy the chill vibes. Time for a change of scenery. The Arabian Desert, dune bashing, camel rides, falconry displays, and maybe some desert wildlife. It's like stepping into another world. Dubai's latest architectural marvel, the Dubai Frame. Panoramic views of the city with old Dubai on one side and new Dubai on the other. A cool way to see how far this city has come. We're going skiing in the desert. The Mall of the Emirates has an indoor ski slope. We'll hit the slopes, have some hot chocolate, and maybe even build a snowman, because why not? Global Village, a massive food and culture festival. Stalls from all over the world selling everything from traditional handicrafts to delicious street food. The perfect place to try something new and pick up a souvenir. The Dubai Opera, shaped like a traditional dhow boat. Inside, world-class performances from opera and ballet to theatre and concerts. We might not catch a show, but we can admire the building and grab a drink at the bar. Prepare to be amazed at the Dubai Miracle Garden, home to over 150 million flowers with giant sculptures and intricate designs. It's like stepping into a real-life fairy tale. The Al Fahidi historical neighborhood, one of the oldest parts of Dubai, will wander through narrow alleyways, admire traditional wind tower houses, and learn about Dubai's history at the Dubai Museum. So there you have it, folks, my whirlwind tour of Dubai. From the top of the Burj Khalifa to the heart of the desert, Dubai has something for everyone. Book that flight, pack your bags, and come experience the magic of Dubai for yourself. Peace out!